Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter, GoPro, X, and CHK. So we had a bearish market day, and not many names were spared, although a few on this list were. Twitter heading to lower lows on high bear volume, breaking key support of 1735. The 200-day moving average support, we lost that level by 1 penny, and now we're looking down at 1644 support. So anybody looking for a bull move on this daily chart would have ideally been stopped out at 1735 when that level broke, because that led to lower lows, and that would let us know that our higher low and end of consolidation has not been established yet. So we're looking at 1644. If that level breaks on the weekly time frame, after 1644, we're looking down at 1567. And that's the absolute must-hold level for the bulls. We went from a higher low and a higher high on the weekly to now a break of the higher lows and now a lower high and pulling back. So the 100-week moving average resistance is 1794 and pulling back, and we're just waiting patiently for the daily chart bulls to find a higher low compared to 1644. GoPro bulls were out today. It was one of the standout bulls, and we broke resistance, the high of Friday's trading, and that was at 1116. Resistance is 1140 and 1146 from here, and the support the bulls must hold is 1054. If we hold 1054, the bulls will remain in control overall, and if we break 1147, we're looking back at our recent high of 1173. If we break 1054 support, we're looking down at 1031 as the next level, and the middle Bollinger Band will be tested as well. X on the daily time frame also had the bulls showing up, a break and a higher high here with a close near the high of the day. The gap will fill back to the upside at 2432. So that's the level for the bulls to be having their sights set on for a target, and we're looking to see if this continuation can follow. The fact that the bulls showed up in weak market conditions will have us looking to see what the bulls can do if we see a bounce in the market and get both going in the same direction. X on the weekly time frame holding this 200-week moving average. It was a resistance level. We turned it into support. We're back testing and holding it, and that level is 2311. And it's important for the bulls to form a bullish reversal candlestick holding this level if they do want to see this weekly higher low pattern maintained. After the breakout, we have given all of that back, and it's a question as to whether or not this 200-week moving average can hold with the middle Bollinger Band support right there as well, fortunately for the bulls. CHK, upper Bollinger Band of 435, nice close above that level. So the continuation here and increase in bull volume, very impressive. The energy sector has changed its trend, and CHK is a part of that energy sector. Oil was in a huge bull breakout today, and we now have higher lows and higher highs, and the next resistance level after 439, still looking up at 444 from here, and just patiently looking for our lower high on the weekly to be set. That might not occur until the middle Bollinger Band. We're not going to be fighting the bull uptrend on the daily. We're just going to be aware that profit taking is going to occur. We're going to set a lower high, and we will have to then consolidate and set a higher low from there. So if you're not in this trade yet, you're not chasing up here. You can be waiting for healthy weekly consolidation to be looking for an entry point. And otherwise, we're looking for oil to consolidate in the short term as well because of how overdone it did get. So the weekly time frame, bull MACD cross, bull TCG cross trying to happen for the first time in 2017. But again, it won't be a trend change. We are just going to form a lower high on this bounce attempt, and it will be up to the reaction from there as to whether or not the bulls change the trend. We'll check back in tomorrow. Thanks for watching.